Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the 7 most unlike materials or 7 smart materials. Number 7. Ultra hydrophobic material. It is hydrophobically protect the surface of material from wetness. It has lots of utilities in use such as paper sheets, any kind of plain and curved surfaces, shoes, hand gloves, and so many things. This hydrophobic surface effect as like as lotus effect, which is invented in 1970s to observe the hydrophobic effects on lotus leaf. In micro studies, the lotus leaf covered it with wax-like things, which is cause of such kind of effect. This idea used to develop the ultra hydrophobic material. Not only water, it's also help to protect the surfaces from mud and any kind of liquid dirt. That's why it is used in the various ways. The hand gloves and the concretes are make protect from muds by using this hydrophobic material. Sometimes clothes are also be coated by this material to make it waterproof. The electronics gadgets as like as mobile phones and digital watches also be make waterproof from long times by using this material. Number 6. Nitrogen triodide. It is very sensitive and explosible compound which can be explored in a very little disturbance. Its molecular structure made by one nitrogen atom which is bonded by three iodide atoms. Its structure is similar as pyramid with most unstable chemical bond. Iodide with ammonia kept in a moist condition in a dark place, then it is stable. But in a dry condition and dry atmosphere, it shows very unstable in nature. In such condition, it can be explored in a gentle touch. The expression of nitrogen iodide generates purple smoke, which is very much toxic. Number 5. Hydrogel. It is a gel polymer which can be contained water 60 to 30 times of its volume and its change in its size respectively with the change of temperature. Hydrogel's water absorb capacity largely used in agriculture and greenhouses to contain water in soil for a long time, which helps the plant's growth. It's also used in home interior decoration in various ways. Sometimes it is used in swimming pools too. In medical purpose or in tissue engineering, it is used in various ways. Number 4. Nitinol. Nitinol is a content of 55.7% of nickel and 43.9% of titanium. It has a special ability to reform and rebound the original shape after the lots of deformation. This phenomenon, called as memory effect, which is driven by the heat exchangers. It is able to repeat this process many times over without losing this property. This material has large number of applications in the field of electronics and mechanics. It's also used in a smartphone, robotic engineering, and medical science too. Number 3. Metal gallium. It is a very mysterious metal. It is brittle solid in a very low temperature and it is melt into liquid in the temperature just greater than 29.76 degrees centigrade. That means it may melt in your body temperature, in your hand. One good thing of this material is it is non-toxic and it is very much costly too. The 1 kilogram of this material is 3000 US dollar. Number 2. Aerogel. It is also known as the frozen smoke. It is a special group of material used in space travel from 1960s. It has multiple properties. It is very light and solid material existing nowadays. Its chemical structure is similar to glass, but its density is 8000 times lower than glass. It also contains 99% air content with the silica gel. This material is also very strong. It can hold 1000 times heavier of its weight. It also very heavy good heat resistance property. That's why it is used in a spacecraft for protection of outer space heat from the sun. It also used to protect from the nuclear radiation and microbes, which is very harmful for us. Number 1. Magnetic thinking putty. It is made of ferric iron oxide powder, as like as Fe3O4, as like as regular putty with the use of some starch and glue. After making it shows the ferromagnetic property. Only strong magnet content make change to its property. It can be used in a various ways. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and not to forget to press the bell icon.